Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I'm Palak Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 21st of July 2022. So this series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirant. So who has been appointed as the new CEO and Managing Director of the National Stock Exchange? So the correct answer of this question is option C. So recently the National Stock Exchange has announced the appointment of Ashish Kumar Chauhan as its new Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer. Okay, so now move to the next question. In July 2022, which of the following IT companies will deliver its first annual human rights report? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Meta. So recently the Facebook owner Meta has released its first annual human rights report that it turned a blind eye to the online abuses that fueled real world violence in places like India and Myanmar. Okay, so now next question. Who was appointed to lead the Khadi and Village Industries Commission? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Manoj Kumar. So recently the Manoj Kumar takes charges as a chairman the Khadi and Village Industry Commission. So Manoj Kumar will succeed Vinay Kumar Saxena, who has appointed as a Lieutenant Governor of New Delhi in May. So basically Manoj Kumar was worked as an expert member at KVIC. Okay, so now next question. Recently, the government announced that unbranded prepared and labeled food goods will be subject to how much percentage GST? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is 5%. So recently the government has notified that unbranded package and label food items like wheat, rice, maize, makhana, spice flours, etc. will attract 5% of good and service tax. Okay, so now next question. Which general insurance firm has introduced a pay-as-you-drive add-on function for automobile insurance? So the correct answer of given question is option A, that is Go Digit General Insurance. So recently Go Digit General Insurance launched pay-as-you-drive add-on feature for the motor insurance own damage policy. So basically this feature makes Digit Insurance one of the India's first insurer to introduce an add-on feature for its customer. Okay, so now next question. How much money will be spent on Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana expansion? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is 90,000 crore. So recently the extension of Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana from October to March financial year 2023 with current grain composition will cost rupees 90,000 crore. So basically rice stock are likely to be fall below the buffer norms by 2.2 million tons or 16% of Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana or 60% if Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana is extended to the whole of the second half of the current financial year. Okay, so now next question. What is the rank of India in Expat Insider ranking for 2022? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is 36th. So recently the Mexico had topped the Expat Insider ranking for 2022, which was released by the Internation recently, while India has been ranked on 36th position out of 52 countries on the list with a high affordability score. So basically the Expat Insider Survey is conducted every year by the Internation, a community for expertise. So basically the survey takes a look at some of the best possible expat destinations around the world which offer the best quality of life to the people who move abroad to improve their quality of life. So basically the Expat Insider 2022 survey reports finds 11,970 respondents to evaluate their life abroad. So basically these respondents represent 177 nationalities and live in 181 countries or territories worldwide. Okay, so now next question. Which country has established an aviation passenger charter to help travelers know their rights? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is United Kingdom. So recently the British government launched the Aviation Passenger Charter to help passengers to know their rights. Okay, so now next question. Which state government has collaborated with the UN Development Program on data in climate resilient agriculture? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Telangana. So recently the Telangana government partnered with UNDP for data in climate resilient agriculture. Okay, so now next question. Which of the following became the first state or union territory to have own internet service after receiving the internet service provider license from the Department of Telecommunications? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Kerala. So recently, the Kerala has now become the first and only state in the country to have its own internet. So basically, the announcement came in the wake of the Kerala Fiber Optic Network Limited, an ambitious IT infrastructure project of the government to make the internet accessible to everyone in the state, receiving the internet service provider license from the Department of Telecommunication. Okay.